Hello everyone. The next part of this video is to find the district. We need to pinpoint the district in order to find out where you actually can get the vaccine. For that, we will be using the state ID here, and we will be providing that to this part, this web service where districts are mentioned. As an argument to that, we will pass the state ID. Let's see how. Since most of the code is redundant here, we will be using the same thing. The first part of the code is same. Okay. Our state ID has been saved in search state ID variable. Let's write it down. Let's check. The remaining part of the URL remains the same. Location instead of state, it becomes districts, and an additional argument is the state ID, which should be appended. The district and this is our state ID. Let's see how the URL look like. Now you can see what URL will be passed onto our new API. So it should be API v2 admin district 36. Let's match it up. Admin, no, it should be location. So we have location before district. Let's try it now. Admin, location, district 36. That's great. We have our HTTP pool manager ready. We have our header ready. So we don't need to write it down again. Instead, we will pass this new URL to http.request through get method. Let's see what it returns. We should expect a status of 200. We have a status of 200. So it's a success. Let's see what the data is. Our data is again a binary code. So we will decode to UTF-8 string. And that's all we have. After that, we can get the name of districts. We have several districts. Under the field districts, see what has happened here. Okay, we'll copy this. Have not loaded JSON. That's why we couldn't access it, because we cannot access field from a string. So now we have an array of district IDs and district names. Let's enumerate through all the districts and print them. First, let's print the district ID. Then let's print the district name. So we have a lot of district. in the state of West Bengal, there are a lot of districts. Let's try to find the district code corresponding to Kolkata. Search for district. We will put Kolkata. Search district ID. We'll put none. Let's search for the district in a case independent manner. Search for district and convert to lowercase and then search one district name. If the district name is found, we will write district found and then save the district ID in search district ID variable. After the program breaks, let's print it. My district is search district ID and search for district. Let's try it. My district, oh, we forgot to put lower when we are comparing against the district. Hence, it's found that our district is Kolkata. Its district ID is 725. Once the district is found, the next objective is to find a vaccination center. In the next video, we will cover how to find the vaccination center.